Yes, guys, we're actually back again with another car. It's getting embarrassing. This is getting proper embarrassing, I'm not gonna lie. It's like you're probably all thinking, what are you doing? Buying and selling? I think I should just like set up a little Calvin's car diaries the way it's going. It's bad, it's bad. This car I've brought came up at, it was up for a reasonable price, do you know what I'm saying? But I went and looked at it and it needed a few bits doing. But I won't bore you with the details just yet. I'm going to show you the car, and then I'm going to go through everything what's happened. But yeah, check it out, guys. See, yes, it's an Integra! A DC5 Integra. And what can I say? They are one sexy motor. So, do you want the story? Do you want the story? Let's give it to ya. Let's give it to ya. So, I was in the market for a car, weren't I? The EG sold. I sold that about a couple of weeks ago. Dream Car Giveaway brought it. So, they're going to be raffling it off very soon. So if you're in the market for an EG and you like my one, buy yourself a ticket. It will be coming up soon. I've checked the website, but it's still not on there. But obviously I had some money. It was burning a hole in my pocket. I wanted a F80 M3, but I went and looked at a few and it was coming out ridiculous. And I was thinking, do I really want to get finance? It was working out, if I put like 10 grand down, it's still working out like a lot of money. And I was thinking, do I want one that much? And I was thinking, probably not. So I was in the market for a car and I was thinking, should we start sort of a buying and selling sort of series on my channel? And I didn't know what to do really. So I was having little butchers and that, as you do. And this one popped up, and it was up for a fair price, and that probably the going price what they go for. But I went and viewed it, and it just looked neglected. Do you know what I mean? It looked quite sad really, and it needed four new tyres. It needed, like, I noticed there was a slight oil leak underneath, and I was thinking, oh, what could that be? I had various marks and like little scratches and stuff like that. Just fine ones. Now when you're looking at something, you think, oh, I could polish that out. It just looked, and it was owned by a young lady as well. So I just think like it's been washed by a sponge for like 4 years. So you could imagine what it looked like. It was just sort of neglected. No offence if you're watching this, but I went round it and stuff like that, and it looked nice. I could see potential, and I thought, if I get it for such and such price, this could be a good base as such, like to either do up, sell, or do I keep it and track it? I don't know. But anyway, I made her an offer, and this was prior to driving it, and she said yes, she'd take that. And I said, well, I'll have to come, because it was on text and that, because I went and viewed it and she weren't there. And I went back anyway, and I said, like, I'll have to take it out for a spin and stuff like that. So I went back out there, and I noticed when I went out for a drive, I noticed the clutch was quite high, and I was thinking, oh man, I think it's going to need a new clutch. So I said, look, take this? And she said, she was, I'll meet you in a minute. I said, no, I'll probably walk away, to be honest, because I was thinking the amount of time and effort and work I've got to put into it to get it where I want it. I thought, I'm not going to pay over the odds. So she accepted me offer anyway. So we've got the car. So happy days. We've got an Integra DC5 Type R. And yeah, as soon as I got it, I dropped it straight to my garage. Like literally, I drove home, and then the next morning I woke up, dropped it down my garage, and it was a very slight oil leak coming from the gasket, from the top of the gasket. So he's changed all the gaskets on the top, so everything like that. So there's no oil leak. He's cleaned all underneath, and it is spotless. And I was quite chuffed that it was just a little oil leak from the gasket, because I didn't know what I was buying. I just saw oil underneath, and I thought, oh, and I couldn't physically see where it was coming from, and I was thinking, oh, what could it be? But I took the punt. I thought, do you know what, I'm going to take the punt. And yeah, lucky enough, it was a little gasket. So that's all done. The clutch, you looked at the clutch, and adjusted the cable, changed the fluids and everything like that, and it is spot on. It's like, so I've gone from thinking I had all these problems to sort of getting a bang on DC5, and I can't even moan. I feel like, way, I'm in the money, sort of thing. But no, it's decent, and I'm very chuffed with it. It drives amazing. I'm not even gonna lie. It's very smooth. It's pretty quick for what it is. Do you know what I mean? I feel like this is far more an enjoyable car than that EG I had, because the EG was far too fast, which I rabbited on about in the last video. But this is a car I feel like is for me. You can drive this, you can have fun in it. It's like I went out the other night in it, and it just put a smile on my face, and I didn't go back home feeling destroyed after driving it. I went back home and I was buzzing. I was like, yeah, this is sick. I didn't realise how well these cars are put together, in a sense, like the way it handles and stuff like that. It's just amazing, honestly. If you've never driven a DC5, get yourself out in one. It's honestly brilliant. So yeah, that was sort of how we become. This is how we sort of acquired the DC5. So I spent a whole day on it. I detailed it to. Oh, do you know what I mean? I just went crazy on it. I spent all day on it. I'd done a hard cut, medium cut, then a finish on it, and it's come up absolutely lovely. Honestly, all the little marks that were on it are all gone. It looks like you can see from the cinematics we just did. It's mint, man. So I got myself a fucking bargain boy. So that is the DC5, guys. So yeah, I hope you liked it. I hope you liked the video. If you did, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and let me know what you think in the comments. And yeah, and what should we do? Should we keep it, sell it, track it? I just don't know. But yeah, let us know, guys. Take it easy. Peace.